Welcome back to Magical Adventure for Kids. Today, we embark on a wonderful journey to Sparkle Valley, a place where all the magical teeth live. Our adventure today is guided by Sparkle the Tooth Fairy, who will teach us the importance of brushing our teeth twice a day. So, sit back, relax, and let the magic unfold. In the heart of Sparkle Valley, where the air is filled with a sweet, minty freshness, lived a young tooth named Twinkle. Twinkle was different from the other teeth. While the others sparkled and shined with a radiant glow, Twinkle had lost its sparkle. It felt sad and dull, unlike its friends. Twinkle wandered through Sparkle Valley, looking at the other teeth with admiration and longing. Each tooth seemed to have a vibrant personality, reflecting the care and attention it received daily. Twinkle sighed, wishing it could sparkle just as brightly. You see, Twinkle didn't like brushing its teeth. It found the routine boring and tedious, often skipping it altogether. One sunny morning, as Twinkle sat alone by the sparkle stream, Sparkle the Tooth Fairy appeared in a flash of glitter and light. Sparkle was known throughout the valley for her wisdom and kindness, always ready to help any tooth in need. "Hello, Twinkle," she said with a warm smile. "Why do you look so sad on such a beautiful day?" "Oh, Sparkle," Twinkle replied with a sigh. "I wish I could shine as brightly as the other teeth. But I don't like brushing my teeth, and now I feel so dull." Sparkle the Tooth Fairy nodded understandingly. She knew exactly how to help Twinkle. With a wave of her magic wand, she conjured a tiny, magical screen that began to tell a story. On the screen appeared small, mischievous creatures known as the cavity monsters. These creatures loved to find teeth that weren't brushed, creating holes and causing trouble. "Twinkle," Sparkle explained, "when we don't brush our teeth, cavity monsters find a home in the food and plaque left behind. They weaken the teeth, making them lose their sparkle and strength. But don't worry, with a little magic and a good brushing routine, we can chase them away and bring back your shine." Twinkle's eyes widened with hope and curiosity. Sparkle continued, showing Twinkle the magic steps to proper brushing. She began with a magical chant that summoned a toothbrush and toothpaste. First, Sparkle said, "We need a toothbrush and just a pea-sized amount of toothpaste. Too much toothpaste can be wasteful, and a small amount is perfect for cleaning effectively." With a gentle touch, Sparkle applied the toothpaste to the toothbrush. Twinkle watched in awe as Sparkle's wand guided the toothbrush in graceful, circular motions. "We brush in small, circular motions," Sparkle narrated, starting from the front teeth and moving to the back. "We mustn't forget the chewing surfaces and the backs of the teeth. Each tooth needs attention, just like we do when we wash our hands." The magical toothbrush danced around Twinkle's mouth, making sure every surface was covered. Sparkle continued to guide Twinkle through the process, emphasizing the importance of brushing for a full 2 minutes. 2 minutes might seem like a long time, Sparkle said, but it's just the right amount of time to make sure we've removed all the food particles and plaque. We can even sing a fun song or set a timer to make it more enjoyable. As Twinkle followed Sparkle's instructions, a wondrous transformation began to occur. The dullness started to fade, and a gentle glow emerged. Twinkle's surface became smoother and brighter with each stroke of the magical toothbrush. "Don't forget to brush your tongue," Sparkle added with a twinkle in her eye. "Our tongues can hold a lot of bacteria, and brushing them helps keep our breath fresh." With a final flourish, Sparkle the Tooth Fairy completed the brushing routine. Twinkle now shined with a brilliant radiance, reflecting the sunlight in Sparkle Valley. It felt stronger, cleaner, and happier than ever before. "Thank you, Sparkle," Twinkle exclaimed joyfully. "I feel amazing." Sparkle smiled warmly at Twinkle's newfound confidence. She knew that this lesson would stay with Twinkle forever. "Remember, Twinkle," she said kindly, "brushing twice a day, in the morning and at night, is essential to keeping your teeth strong and healthy. It helps chase away the cavity monsters and ensures you can shine bright every day." Twinkle nodded eagerly, determined to maintain the new brushing routine. It realized that brushing wasn't a chore but a magical way to stay healthy and happy. And now, dear children, it's your turn to join the adventure. Grab your toothbrushes and toothpaste, and let's brush together with Twinkle and Sparkle. Remember to brush in gentle, circular motions, covering every part of your mouth. Let's brush for a full 2 minutes, and don't forget to brush your tongue. While you brush, you can sing a fun brushing song or set a timer to help you keep track of the time. Brushing your teeth can be a magical part of your day, just like it is for Twinkle. Great job, everyone! You've done an amazing job brushing your teeth today. Just like Twinkle, you're now ready to shine bright and keep those cavity monsters away. Remember, brushing twice a day is the key to a healthy, happy smile. Thank you for joining us on this magical adventure in Sparkle Valley. We hope you had fun and learned something new. Stay tuned for more magical adventures with Sparkle the Tooth Fairy and all your friends in Sparkle Valley. Don't forget to subscribe to Magical Adventure for Kids and hit the bell icon so you never miss an adventure. Share your brushing stories and pictures with us in the comments below. We can't wait to see your sparkling smiles. Until next time, keep brushing and keep shining. Special thanks to Sparkle the Tooth Fairy and Twinkle for teaching us the magic of brushing our teeth. See you next time on Magical Adventure for Kids.